Hola muchachos, ¿cómo están? Espero que esta vez sí puedan ver el video. We're going to start with chapter 16, that is about equations. We have 3 lessons for today. We have 16.1, that is about algebraic expressions. 16.2, that is addition, subtraction equations. And 16.3, that is about multiplication, division, and equations. Okay? Now, let's continue and let's get started with 16.1. Okay, 16.1, like I told you, is about algebraic expression. Okay, what is an algebraic expression? It's something like this. For example, I can say, Anna is 5 years younger than Ailani. It's just an example, okay? So, this group of words, we have to put them in an equation. Remember, an equation es cuando tenemos una variable que queremos encontrar. My equation in this case can be this one, s minus 5. First, why minus? Because the expression is saying that Ana is 5 years younger o más joven. Entonces, si yo quiero encontrar la edad de Ana, tengo que restar. Okay? And Ana is 5 years younger than Ailani. So I put a variable or variable over here. But for resolving this expression, I need to know the age of Ailani. So let's suppose that Ailani is 16 years old. Okay? So how many years old is Anna? I can put it like this, 16 minus 5. Okay, so how old is Anna? 16 minus 5 is 11. So Anna is 11 years old. Okay? Bien. Now, let's do another one. Victor earns twice as much as Diego. Víctor ahorra el doble de lo que ahorra Diego. ¿Cómo sería esa expresión? Tengo que poner un número y una variable. Eso sería así. 2x. ¿Por qué el 2? Because I'm saying twice. Twice significa doble. Y x. X es mi variable. Pero para eso necesito saber cuánto ahorra Diego. So, let's suppose Diego earns 3.75 lempiras por hora. ¿Verdad? Entonces, ¿cómo sería? Sería de esta manera. 2 times 3.75, porque Víctor ahorra el doble de lo que ahorra Diego. So, 2 times 3.75, the question is, how much does Victor earns? Cuando multiplico eso, my answer is $7.50. Okay? Now, let's continue with the same lesson. Okay? Algebraic expression. Now, some instructions can be like this ones. Evaluate each algebraic expression for x equals to 5. I have 6 exercises over here. Number 1, it says x plus 9.3. When the instructions are saying to evaluate, I need to put this 5 in the equations. For example, in this case, I'm going to substituir this x por este 5. So 5 plus 9.3, it's 14.3. And I have to do the same with all of this. The next one is 14x. I'm multiplying 14 times x. So in this case, it's 14 times 5. Porque x vale 5. ¿Verdad? 14 times 5, it's 70. Okay, next one. Next one is saying x minus 1.5. You already know how to subtract, how to add, how to multiply and divide fractions. So in this case, it's x minus 1.5. Eso sería así. I did a mistake over here, guys. I put times, okay? Así que no importa. Lo vamos a hacer como que fuera times, okay? So in this case, if I multiply 5 times 1.5, it gives me 5 over 2. And that's my answer. Okay? Now, number 4, it's minus 3 minus x. ¿Dónde está la x? Yo voy a poner el 5. So in this case, minus 3 minus 5. How much is minus 3 minus 5? Minus 8. Next one, 5x plus 1. 5 times x plus 1. Esto sería así. 5 times 5 plus 1. ¿Qué hago primero? PEMDAS. Multiplication first. 5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. The last one. 3 over 5 times x plus 2. Esto sería así. 3 over 5 plus 5, times 5 plus 2. Okay, first I need to multiply 3 times 5. 3 over 5 times 5 plus 2. This gives me exactly 5. ¿Por qué? Porque 3 por 5, 15. 15 entre 5, 3. 3 más 2, 5. Multiplicar fracciones ustedes ya saben. Si no, váyanse a los chapters anteriores que yo ya les expliqué eso. Okay, now, let's go to 16.2. That is about addition, subtraction equations. Okay, pay attention, guys. The first exercise, okay? The first exercise is x plus 8 equals 15. Okay, the point or the idea or the purpose of the equations is to find the answer of my variable. The variable can be cualquier letra. ¿Cómo vamos a conseguir eso? Ok, dejando sola la x. Vamos a hacer la primera. The first exercise is x plus 8 equals to 15. And remember, in an equation we have two sides. The left side, that is left del signo de igual, y a la derecha del signo de igual. So, aquí, ¿qué es lo que me está estorbando para que la x quede solita? El 8. ¿Y qué está haciendo el 8? Sumando. So, in this case, I'm going to subtract in both sides. 8 minus 8, 0. And 15 minus 8, now voy a restar. Gives me this. ¿Ok? Este x lo bajo. 8 minus 8, 0. And 15 minus 8, 7. So my final answer here is x equals to 7. Esto ya lo habíamos visto, muchachos. ¿Ok? Vamos a ver. Number 2. W plus minus 3 equals to minus 8. Aquí tenemos dos signos, pero aquí, ¿cuál gana? ¿El más o el menos? El menos. Entonces lo vamos a escribir otra vez. Quedaría W minus 3 equals to minus 8. Right? Okay. Now, I need to get alone the W. Lo que me está estorbando is this negative 3. It's subtracting. So I'm going to add plus 3 in both sides. Este W lo bajo y me quedaría. W is this one. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. And minus 8 plus 3, minus 5. My answer is minus 5. Okay. Let's continue. I have this one. N minus 4 equals to negative 15. What I have to do over here? I have to add what? Plus 4 in both sides. Okay? So, esto me queda 0 y menos 15 más 4 menos 11. My final answer is negative 11. Okay? Acuérdense que el que vamos a sumar o restar es el que está cerca de la variable, no el que está solo. ¿Verdad? And the last one for this lesson is R minus 2 equals to 1. What happens when I have two negative signs next to each other? They convert into a plus. So in this case is r plus 2 equals to 1. Now I need to subtract what? What number in both sides? Good job, negative 2. Okay, negative 2. In this case, plus 2 minus 2, 0, and 1. Minus 2, negative 1. Okay, this is lesson 16.2. Let's go to 16.3. That is the same. The only difference is multiplication and division. Okay. Now, let's find the same thing. 4 exercises. The first one is 5 times c equals to 40. It's multiplying the 5 and c. Y este 5 lo tengo que quitar. I have to move it porque me está estorbando para que la c quede solita. So, if it is multiplying, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. 5 by 5, they cross out. Okay, y lo que me queda es c equals to 40 divided by 5. How much is 40 divided by 5? 8. My answer is 8. So C is 8. Okay, number 2. I have x over 5 equals to negative 6. Okay, in this case, guys, the 5 es el que me está estorbando con la x. This 5 it's dividing. So I'm going to, if it is dividing, I'm going to multiply both sides. Okay? See? This number, I'm going to put it over here and over here. Both sides are multiplying. Now, this number is going to cancel out with this. Okay? Solamente me quedaría dx. And minus 6 times 5, it's minus 30. That's my final answer. Number 3. Minus 2d equals to 8. What is doing the minus 2 times with the d? Sorry. Yes, of course. They are multiplying. Okay? They are multiplying. So in this case, if they are multiplying, I have to divide both sides by negative 2. Now, these numbers cross out, se cancelan, y me quedaría esto. D 8 divided by minus 2. How much is 8 divided by minus 2? Negative 4. That's my final answer, guys. And the last lesson the last exercise for today, it's this one that is almost the same as this. I know that negative 4, it's dividing. I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 4. Now I know that this negative 4 and this negative 4 I'm going to cancel out each other. Y lo que me queda is m equals to negative 36. 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. Okay, guys? Thank you for everything.